Hey everyone, welcome back to Recipes with me. Today we're baking a sweet classic, 7-layer cookies. These chewy, gooey cookie bars are made with 1.5 cups of graham cracker crumbs, half a cup of melted butter, 1 cup of sweetened condensed milk, 1 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips, 1 cup of butterscotch chips, 1 cup of sweetened shredded coconut, and 1 cup of chopped nuts. Let's get baking. Melt half a stick of butter in a 9 by 13 inch pan. Press in 1.5 cups of graham cracker crumbs to make the base. Pour 1 can of sweetened condensed milk evenly over the crust. This adds sweetness and makes everything rich and chewy. Now sprinkle on 6 ounces of chocolate chips, 6 ounces of butterscotch chips, and 6 ounces of chopped nuts. Okay, now just top it off with 6 ounces of shredded coconut for the final layer. Next, bake in a preheated 350-degree oven for about 15 minutes, or until the coconut is golden brown. Let it cool completely, then cut into squares or bars. And there you have it, 7-layer cookies, a classic dessert that's easy, sweet, and honestly, just irresistible. Thanks for watching Recipes with me. If you enjoyed this recipe, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more sweet and savory favorites. See you in the next video.